Apple is researching a MacBook keyboard that features a removable key to be used as a precision mouse. Key like on the keyboard key.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa. That would be cool with a little magnet that slots in there. The patent application, spotted, of course, by Patently Apple, is titled Deployable Key Mouse and was filed with the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office. It would be a standard MacBook Scissor System keyboard with a hidden removable key, and it would contain a position sensor to be used as a pointing device. So literally a tiny mouse.
That's the size of maybe a little bit bigger than a key.
Like a shift key almost.
Yeah.
The size of a shift key.
That's what they're showing right here. It kind of detaches either from the keyboard upwards or from the side.
So it's your cursor, and it has a button, I guess. Probably not 2 buttons. I don't mind it.
There could be gestures. You know?
Touch-based gestures? Like, is it a touchpad as well?
It could be. Yeah. Or like gestures like you're...
You sound like vaporware, Will.
Well, they have a patent. So
the removable key is a viable solution to the issue, according to Apple. In some embodiments, the key would be able to work as normal on the keyboard when it is not deployed and then feature a small battery. Wow. This one of those things where you feel like they're patenting something that they probably don't intend on making, but they want to have the patent just in case someone else was going to do it.
Uh-huh.
Apple outlined various mechanical systems to facilitate the removable key, including sliding a single or set of multiple keys out of the housing vertically, as well as a sliding key out from the side of the machine horizontally. I don't really like trackpads that much, so this is kind of a curious one. It gets me going a little bit, but it would probably be so small, it's hard for me to imagine it being comfortable. That's my issue.
Yeah, it can't be probably used for like a regular basis. Maybe something really quick.
You mean you don't want to do any gaming with that mouse?
No, never.
Never.